Hi, my name's David. I'm with Minuteman Press here in Naples, Florida. I bought this business in January of 2021, right after COVID. It had been in business for 30 years prior to my purchasing it. We recently had the opportunity to see a webinar done with Minuteman and PBS out of Nashville about the Mimaki UV printer. After that webinar, it became very clear to me that this was an opportunity for our shop. So I purchased the Mimaki UV printer, and we started with it about 6 months ago. In that time, we noticed wonderful success through doing different products, and many of the opportunities that we found were never even part of the original plan. The reason we purchased the Mimaki was because I was frankly disappointed with a number of the central facility vendors who provided promotional items, where items would be sent to us either late or in printed wrong or done wrong for the customer. So we decided that bringing a lot of that in-house would make sense, and any mistakes we would own ourselves then. We are doing promotional items was the primary intent of the machine. It's met our expectations in every way and then some. One of the things that I didn't consider until after we had the machine was the short-run boutique, quick turnaround, print-on-demand embellishment that we can do with this machine. We can create business cards. We can create short-run items that are heavily embellished by using the raised UV features that this machine can create. It is very economical to do that from the ink cost standpoint, and it allows you to show people something on a very quick print-on-demand basis that is highly impressive. So it has a number of uses that we haven't even considered, but honestly, the promotional item market is where we're going as an industry, and embellishment, which is something that everybody's talking about now, all of which can be done with this Mimaki UV printers.
Hi everybody, my name is Aaron, and I'm here at Minuteman Press in Naples, and I am the sole operator of our Mimaki 6042, and I'm just here to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about my experience with our transition into flatbed UV printing. So some of the key factors that we really enjoy about having the Mimaki UV flatbed printer are the quality control. That's really the number one factor for us. If we can control the quality of a product, then everything else falls into line. We have our own in-house graphics department, which makes that a lot easier. And we all know that good files make good prints. So if you have proper files, you're going to be set up for success. And the printer itself transitions those files so well, it's almost effortless. The other key factor that we truly enjoy is to rapid fire prototype pieces. So if our customers come in and let's say they have an oddball file or a strange logo, just any kind of request, we can take that, put it in the system, and we can rapid fire a prototype out almost immediately, so that people can see what they're going to get, and we can give somebody a single or 2 or 3 different versions of the same product. If it's a pen or a poker chip or a golf ball, it doesn't matter. And then they can actually pick physical product out and say, I like number 2 or number 3 is where I want to be. Some of the main qualities that we're impressed with is the number one thing has got to be the quality of print. The print quality is unlike anything that we've ever had before, that I've ever seen. I've been in the business for a long time. I've seen a lot of different variations, and the print quality that you get from these print heads and just the way that the Mimaki prints, it's unlike anything. The high quality and the texture, the ability that you have is really outstanding. The ease of setup, also, as I mentioned before, I'd familiarized myself with the program, but the physical ease of setup, so using the jigs, placing the product, coordinating with the program where I'm going to lay the image, it was hands down like it was second nature, because it's so intuitive and it's so telling on the program itself of what you're doing and what you're going to get. It's almost like it does it for you.